My name is Mohammed Jahangir. I've been losing hair for last few years and planning to have a implant. So I've been to a couple of places. They all are good. So I decided to have my hair done in New Root Hair Clinic.